What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeWilderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of taking MCT oil or MCT powder. Alright, let's get into the video. Now, MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides, and the way it is created is basically extracted from coconut oil. Alright, so if you look at, like, let's say a grocery store like No Frills or Whole Foods or whatever, and you see coconut oil, it's going to have a percentage of MCT within it. Alright, which means that if you take coconut oil, you won't necessarily get all the benefits that you would receive from getting the actual 100% MCT extracted version. Alright, so there's many benefits that you can receive from MCT, and they're especially helpful when you're following a lower carbohydrate diet. Alright, why is that? So when you follow a low carb diet, the whole premise is to start producing ketones, right? You want to produce ketone bodies and start using those as fuel. Alright, and what makes MCT so great is when you take it in, what happens is your liver starts creating ketones. So MCT actually helps create more ketones in your body, which allows you, let's say you're starting off a lower carb diet and your body's not quite adjusted to the change. When you take MCT, your body's actually going to start getting adapted to using fat as fuel faster because you're training it. Alright? The second benefit is you're going to have more energy from MCT. Again, 1 and 2 are pretty much, benefit 1 and 2 are pretty symbiotic in the sense that when you produce ketones, you get more energy. Right? So the thing with most carbohydrates, right, you get an instant spike of insulin, you get that glucose, and you feel energized maybe temporarily, right? And fats normally provide energy slower. But what makes MCT different, what sets it apart from other fats, is it gives you energy right away. It's an instant boost of energy. So if you add MCT to like your coffee in the morning, your black coffee, whoo, it's a wrap. You're gonna be just
she's a track star.
Top speed, doing things, running around, getting things done. All right. So it's super beneficial to do that. A third thing is MCTs, because they're high in fat, you can actually take MCT oil, MCT powder, and there's gonna be a satiating effect from that. Right. So imagine you're taking MCT in the morning. You know, you're on your weight loss journey, whatever. There's only 70 calories per, let's say if you're doing the powder, per scoop, and there's 100 calories per teaspoon of the oil. So if you take that in, you literally could do 100 to 200 calories and feel full for half of the day. And if you're someone trying to lose weight, that really is going to be beneficial because you're not going to feel this urge to be snacking all day. The compulsion to eat is going to be pretty much gone because of the satiating effect of fat. And like I said, the energy boost because of the ketones. All of those things are going to contribute to making it a streamlined process. I personally take MCT myself. I do it in the powder form. So I got this one here. It doesn't matter what brand. You can get whatever. I know Quest has a brand. This is Natural Traditions. You guys can see this here. Natural Traditions MCT. But it really doesn't matter. And I personally, I'm not a fan of the oil because I find that like it's super, my stomach, like I don't know, there's some sort of reaction I get when my stomach just starts to feel a little weird. But I can really stomach the powder, no problem. You might be different. It really doesn't matter. The benefits are the same, but you want to make sure that you're taking it in a form that your body can handle. All right. Now, if you got some value from this video, you want to learn more about how I can help you, all right, you can send me a DM with the word help, and you know, we can talk about my program, how that works. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can click the link, schedule a free call with me or someone on my team, and we can help you get right. Now, if you love this video or if you like this video, whatever love like, drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.